Greetings of the day. I, Chavi Gupta, welcomes you all in today's session. We will be discussing about light and ray diagrams by convex lens. In this session, I will discuss about ray diagrams by concave lens, lens formula, and power of lens. Now, first you have to remember some points that always place the object towards the left of the lens from the optical center. Second, pass the first light ray in the parallel to the principal axis and refract through the vertical line and then pass to the focal point. Second, light ray should pass through the optical center and always indicate the arrows to show the path of light ray. It is same as a ray diagram by the concave convex lens. These points are same. Now next is first ray diagram, that when object is placed at infinity. This is your object at infinity. You pass a light ray parallel to principal axis. Then you know that concave lens is a diverging lens. वो एक diverging lens है तो light ray will diverge backwards. Clear? तो टो से वापस light backwards. The point where it meets is the image formation. It meets at f1. So you have the position as at f1. Size of image is totally point size. Nature of image is virtual and erect. Now next, when object is between infinity and optical center, means wherever you can place the object between infinity and optical center, the image will be same. आप जहाँ पे भी रखें इमेज आपकी वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट बनेगी, बिटवीन f1 एंड ऑप्टिकल सेंटर बनेगी एंड डिमिनिश्ड होगी, बिकॉज ये कनकेव लेंस एंड कनकेव लेंस आपको हमेशा वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट इमेज देता है. नाउ दिस इज योर ऑब्जेक्ट. You place it between infinity and optical center. Pass a light ray parallel to the principal axis. Then it will refract, comes backwards, pass it to optical center. Then comes the point where it intersect is the point of the image formation. So it is formed between f1 and o. So we will have the position between f1 and o. नेचर इज आपको इरेक्ट इमेज दिख रही है, स्क्रीन पे ऑप्टेंट नहीं की गई है. डाइवर्जिंग लेंस से ऑप्टेंट कराई गई है स्क्रीन पे. सो इट इज़ अ वर्चुअल इमेज. साइज छोटी है तो दैट इज डिमिनिश्ड वन. नो नेक्स्ट next is sign conventions. Ray diagrams by concave lens are only two. Now we will do the sign conventions. This is your origin, suppose. Now upward is positive, below is negative. That means you take the Cartesian plane. Above the x-axis is positive, below the x-axis is negative. So this is positive and this is negative. But if we talk about, this is origin, if we move towards the lens in positive x-axis, so it is positive 1. But if we move towards the left, it is negative. So same is depicted over here. Now for convex lens, you have two lens, that is concave and convex lens. Concave lens, this is the optical center, say this is an origin. So if you move towards positive x-axis, so everything will be positive. If you move towards the negative, that everything will be negative. But height of the object will always be positive, because you have placed the object above the principal axis, so it is always positive. But when you place the object, when you get the image, आपको इमेज मिलेगी तो बिलो प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस मिलेगी, so it is always negative in convex lens. Now what is the focal length of the convex lens? Focal length क्या होगी convex lens की? Always positive, because आपकी सारी light rays will strike over here. That's why it is always positive. Now for concave lens, object height will always positive. Image height will always image height will depend whether it is forming above the principal axis or below the principal axis. Now this is taken as negative and this is taken as positive. Now what it says that concave length is focal length is negative. It is always negative. Why? See the ray diagram backward. You can see that focus is this one where the light rays meet. So it is behind, it is in front of the lens. लेंस के सामने मीट कर रही लाइट, सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नेगेटिव. Now what is the lens formula? The same we have mirror formula. The same way we have lens formula, that is mirror formula is 1 by v plus 1 by u equals to 1 by f. In lens we have only a negative, that is 1 by v minus 1 by u equals to 1 by f. Clear? Now what is u? That's the image object distance, this one. what is v? That is image distance, this one. What is the height of the object? This one, it is positive. Height of the image, this one, negative, depicted by h dash, and height of object is depicted by h. Now focal length is where distance between the optical center and the focus, so it is a focal length. Now, so what is the magnification? Height of image upon my height of object, that is h dash upon h भी हो सकता है और v upon u भी हो सकता है. मिरर फॉर्मूला में वी हैव माइनस वी अपॉन यू, बट इन लेंस फॉर्मूला वी हैव v upon u. Now what is the power of the lens? Power of lens is reciprocal of focal length. focal length का just opposite means आप उसको reciprocate कर रहे हैं कि आपका लेंस कितनी पावर का होना चाहिए. Now it has a SI unit as diopter. SI unit as diopter denoted by D. Power of convex lens is positive. ये भी हमने पीछे देखा. Power of concave lens is negative. Now what we have studied about ray diagrams by concave lens, sign conventions, lens formula and power of lens. Now you have a question. If the image formed by either of the lens या mirror, आपकी कोई भी इमेज फॉर्म हो रही है लेंस और मिरर के थ्रू, वो रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड होते हैं, हमने देख लिया. बट हाउ द पर्सन अपीयर इरेक्ट, जो पर्सन आपको दिखता है वो इरेक्ट क्यों दिखता है, सीधा क्यों दिखता है? बिकॉज फर्स्ट यू विल गेट दिस, सपोज दिस इज एन ऑब्जेक्ट, फाइन, द इमेज फॉर्म्ड इज inverted AB, A dash, B dash. This is the first image. Fine. Now here you have an eye. This is your eye, suppose. थोड़ा डायग्राम ऐसी है आई का भी. Now this is your eye. Now this is your lens. Fine. So this is an inverted image of your object. So again an inverted image will be formed. So it will appear A and B. So that means you have an erect image. Again समझा रही बेटा. This is your object A, B. Fine. You get an image like this one. This is your first image. First image. Now you have an eye. This is your eye. Okay. Now your eye has a lens. Your eye has a lens. Just a minute. Your eye has a lens. Fine. So this inverted image will again form in lens. That will appear straight. So say it as, sorry, A double dash and this is B double dash. So tell me, the first image is inverted, but when your lens will form an image, it is also inverted in this respect. But according to this, you will get the erect image. So that's why a person appears erect over here. That's all for today. Thank you.